Alright guys, welcome back. So I'm starting off with my Vichy Mineral 89 Serum. This serum is honestly very hydrating, guys. I would recommend this even if you have oily skin. It's not an oil-based product. It's just honestly just a serum to really hydrate and prep your skin. So I am applying this all over today. It honestly made the makeup that I applied this day really stick and stay onto my face. Once you put it on, it does have this little sticky finish, which is good for makeup application. So I'm going to conceal, and I'm using my favorite drugstore concealer, guys. This is the CoverGirl Undercover concealer. This is like my favorite concealer to use for dark spots. I don't have to go in with much of this product. It really does the job in just one step. It's very full coverage. So if you are looking for a good drugstore concealer, a good full coverage drugstore concealer, I definitely recommend the CoverGirl Undercover concealer. So as you guys could see, I'm pretty much blending it out with my brush, and it pretty much covered up everything, guys. So it is like I'm pretty much back to my basic foundation routine for this video, guys. So I concealed, and now we're going in with foundation, and I'm taking my Huda Beauty foundation, and I'm gonna go in with a sponge for this. I just want a natural look today, so I'm gonna apply this foundation with a sponge, and yeah. I really love the finish of this. It's super matte, but it still gives you a nice luminous finish. I'm going to show you guys the difference between one side that I did, flawless, and the other side. So I'm going to go ahead and just finish that up. Alright, so for concealer, I'm taking my CoverGirl Undercover concealer and the Makeup Revolution concealer. I'm mixing the both today. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my CoverGirl concealer first. And we're going to just use these concealers to highlight today. And now I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution. This is just going to pretty much brighten up the look. I wanted a nice bright under eye. And of course, we're going to go ahead and blend that out with my sponge again as well. If you guys don't know me by now, I just love a natural, flawless finish. I know for the past few videos, I've been doing that new technique. That technique is when I want to do just a full coverage, full beat kind of look. Looking back, I see that it is a lot of product, but I love my regular makeup routine. Like this is like my routine. So I'm going in with my powder. This is the Fenty Banana Setting Powder. We're just going to set all of those highlighted areas. I honestly like to just dab the powder into my skin, so that's what you guys see I'm doing here. I pretty much apply it and then just dab it in until it disappears into my skin. So I want to really carve out my nose, so I'm gonna pretty much bake for a little bit, and then I'm gonna end up just blending that in. Alright, so to powder contour, I'm taking my Bare Minerals powder. I haven't used this one in so long, guys. I forgot about it. So I'm using this just to pretty much powder contour. I didn't cream contour today, guys. I really wanted this look to be just a natural, flawless finish. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just bring back the contours to my face and really chisel out my bone structure. So I applied it on my cheekbones, my forehead, my jaw, and then I'm going to also do my nose as well. I did take a different brush for my nose just because I wanted to really define my nose. So as you guys can see here, it's just an angled brush, a smaller angled brush. Alright, and then for my all over powder, I'm taking my Fenty Beauty foundation powder. This is in the shade 420. So I'm just gonna literally apply this all over my face with a big fluffy brush, and that's pretty much gonna blend everything together. You're not gonna see any harsh lines or anything. I know you guys see the harsh line on my nose, but again, once you blend everything together, it's literally all gonna just come together. Alright, for blush, I'm taking my Quo Beauty blush, and we're just going to add some color back to my face. And then for highlighter, I'm going in with the Balm Cosmetics Bonnie highlighter, liquid highlighter, and I'm just applying that on my cheekbones and my nose. And I am going to blend it out and warm up the product with my fingers. Your fingers are your best friends, guys. They can be the tool you use for pretty much everything on your face. So I'm just going to pretty much blend that in, and then we are going to move on to the eyes. So I'm taking my e.l.f. liquid liner, and I'm just going to create a wing liner, guys. I've slowed down this part for you guys so that you guys can really see how I achieved this look. So I like to start off with a line from the middle part of my eyes and then create the wing and then connect it. And then I go ahead and just fill in that empty spot. And then I go ahead and start moving towards the inner corner of my eyes and just really connecting everything together. This honestly takes a lot of practice. I really actually love the e.l.f. eyeliner. It's very easy to use. So yeah, that's pretty much the wing. So now I'm going to work on the inner corner, and I really like to just take my time and just create little brush strokes to create that inner wing. This honestly took a lot of practice for me. It isn't easy to do on the first try, but just take your time and really just create that inner wing. And that's pretty much it, guys. I would recommend something like an eyeliner that's super thin, like what I'm using. So I pretty much connect everything, and that's pretty much it. So I applied my lashes off camera, guys. I'm going in with some lip liner. I believe it's the NK lip liner in brown. Now I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution Pout Balm. Everything that I use, guys, I'll list it in the description box below. So I applied that, and then I do go over it with some clear lip gloss from Essence. I really like that combo, guys. So I'm just going to set everything in place with my Catrice Prime and Find setting spray, and that's pretty much it, guys. I do dab it in with my sponge, and that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel, make sure you are subscribed. Leave your comments down below. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.